Hi, welcome to this Hertfordshire Cycling, Walking and Wheeling Work Repair Stand. I'm Matt from the St Albans Cycle Hub here at the Cotton Mill Community and Cycling Centre. Here to walk you through how to use this repair stand that will be appearing all over Hertfordshire and St Albans. For instructions on how to use the stand, simply scan the QR code and click the link. This will give you demonstrations on how to use the tooling and also lead you to a questionnaire where you can give feedback on the system. To use the stand, first hang the bike. Most will hang it up by the seat post, like so. Another way, primarily if you've got a carbon fibre bike, you don't want to crush this part of this section, hang it by the top tube. This stand is equipped with everything that you'd need to perform the standard M check. The M check's given its name because it checks, it's a strategic way of checking all the components of your bike in a sequential way. You start by checking your wheels are tight. Moving on to your seat post and your brakes. Down to your cranks. You're looking for any play or movement that shouldn't be there. Moving up to your steering, make sure your handlebars are nice and tight and that there's no play. And then finally down to your front wheel, performing the same check as the rear. Here we have an Allen key set. You open them up like so. To use, push the key into the bolt and turn. Here we have a Torx star, used in the same way as the Allen keys. Look out for a bolt head which has this star shape. This is the pedal spanner. To use, simply line up with the flat edges of the pedal. To undo, rotate back towards the back of the bike. To do up, rotate towards the front of the bike. The stand also comes with two screwdrivers, a flat head and a Phillips head. Both can be used by inserting into the designated slots and rotating. Typically these are used for limit screw adjustments on either derailleur or adjusting your brakes. Here we have a tyre lever. This is used to remove the tyres from the bike. Like so. Just remember to remove the wheel from the bike before doing so. The stand also comes with an adjustable spanner. This can be used to remove any different size bolts. As the name suggests, it's adjustable. You do that by rotating this barrel here.